We always do the projects for the kids, but ultimately the caretakers and the parents are the ones that see most of the benefit, because they're the ones every day having to bathe the child, help them use the toilet. So our expectation and our hope is that their life is easier because of the work we've done here.
She came in and turned around in the shower. I love it. It's so cute. You love it?
And it just melts your heart, because these children, a lot of times they do have such a hard life and so many difficulties, and for something like this to just give them pure joy, it's a life-changing moment to see that.
Dave is coming from Ride to Give. He came from New York. He left last Sunday. He's ridden 900 plus miles from New York to Georgia. They will be coming in from Jefferson, and they'll be led by my husband's fire department, Harrisburg. I mean, it's gorgeous. We could never have envisioned this. The detail, just the lamps, the knobs, the hooks, I mean, every little corner there's something.
You know, I start crying. I'm glad I was wearing my sunglasses out there, but it's just amazing, the outpouring of love and support for these beautiful families.
It's very exciting and very gratifying for us. I mean, we wish that every family that we worked with could have this. It's just amazing what this will do for the family.
What do you know? You love the fan. Tell Pete you love the fan. What do you think about this? Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. All the details. Oh, look, honey.
Oh Lord, it's gonna change my life completely. It's a blessing. It's just a blessing.
She's dedicated her life to helping kids and the community, and this has actually been a really rewarding project for us.
It's beautiful. I don't even know what to say, but I thank them so much.
It's been a tremendous opportunity for InterCeramic to give back through Sunshine and Rainy Day to the families and children. They make it very easy to participate. We've been part of the organization for 3 years now, and it's been a tremendous experience. We look forward to the next 3 and 5 years, continuing our relationship with Sunshine on a Rainy Day.
Our day-to-day life with him, we can't take care of him in what we have today. You know, at times it feels like a lonely battle, and today's not one of those times.
We're all happy to be here, not just as a company, but as individuals. It's always nice when you do something for someone that you get to meet the person that is directly helping.
When we first walked in the house, it was just so overwhelming and so heartwarming, and it brings tears to your eyes.
Oh, wow.
Honey, check it out. Oh my gosh. Check it out. You know who those guys are?
How excited are you? Have you seen Mickey ever?
I've never, ever seen a charity like this, where the love, the support, the unconditional love, the paying it forward. I've been involved in a lot of charities, and I've never seen the commitment that we have to these families.